Hi dears, welcome back to my channel Beeps Arena. Through this video, let's learn Geography 7th lesson of the 6th standard, our country India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south wash the shores of the Indian peninsula. Do you know what is peninsula? The peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. For example, India is a peninsular country because it is surrounded by water on three sides such as Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometer, and the east-west extent from the Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 kilometer. The lofty mountains, the Great Indian Desert, the northern plains, the uneven plateau surface, and the coasts and islands present a diversity of landforms. There is a great variety of the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as in the language and culture. In this diversity, we find unity that is reflected in tradition that bind us as one nation. India has a population of more than 120 crores since the year 2011. It is the second most populous country of the world after China. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through the country. From south to north, mainland of India extends between 8 degrees 4 north and 37 degrees 6 north latitude. From west to east, India extends between 68 degrees 7 east and 97 degrees 25 east longitudes. Due to great longitudinal extent about 29 degrees, there could be a wide difference in local time of places located at two extreme points of India. As such, the difference between these 2 points would be of about 2 hours. As you have learned earlier, the local time changes by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east, Arunachal Pradesh, than in the west, Gujarat. You have already read earlier why the local time of longitude 82 degree 30 east has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. This meridian or longitude is also termed as the Standard Meridian of India. There are 7 countries that share land boundaries with India, such as Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Across the sea to the south lie our island neighbors like Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Pak Strait. India is a vast country. For administrative purposes, the country is divided into 28 states and 9 union territory. Telangana became the 28 states of India on 2nd June 2014. It was previously a part of Andhra Pradesh. Delhi is the national capital. The state have been formed mainly on the basis of language. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in terms of area. The states are further divided into districts.